Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Azmi bin Rosdi, number matric AA230450. I will tell objective we chose the rice cooker. First of all, to help minimize the environmental footprint. Secondly, to contribute to energy efficiency. After that, to ensure that the rice cooker has a longer lifespan. Next, to choosing material that are non-toxic and do not leach harmful chemicals. Other than that, to promoting consumer awareness about sustainable choices. And lastly, assessing the entire life cycle of the product.
For this assignment, we choose rice cooker as our subject to be studied.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirul Iman bin Azmi, number matric AA231222. I will explain about rice cooker body. Material. Rice cooker body is composed of plastic. Manufacturer often use propylene or polycarbonate, which is known for the durability, heat resistance, and safety for food contact. Plastic provide good thermal insulation, making it safer to touch during and after cooking. Detail. Propylene is a common plastic used in rice cooker. It is also food safe and commonly used in kitchenware. Then, polycarbonate is recognized for its extremely resistant to impact. Plastic can provide good thermal insulation. About properties. Strength. Plastic is higher durable material that offer excellent resistance to a range of environmental factors, including corrosion impact and UV ray. Durability. Insulation plastic have excellent thermal and electrical insulation properties, making them indispensable in the electronic industry. Recyclability. A great deal durable polymer can be mechanically recycled. Chemical recycle has shown promising results in taking away range of plastic.
So this is my part to explain to you all about the material properties inside the rice cooker. If you want to know, the stainless steel 304 is a common material used in the rice cooker. It contains high level of chromium and nickel, which is make it resistant to corrosion from food and water, and it's safe for use in the food application. This steel can adapt with a high temperature, which is crucial for the food application, and it also easy to clean. Stainless steel 304 is high durable against moisture, chemical, and various temperature, which is ideal for kitchen apply and industrial equipment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiqan bin Abdul Wahab. Number AA231039. Okay. Look the product properties rice pot. A ceramic rice pot are made from natural material and are generally free of chemical or heating. Ceramic material are known for their ability to disrupt heat evenly, just like stainless steel. The ceramic on the rice pot are conduct heat evenly. This help to cook the rice well without any overriper on under rice. Okay, look the picture in the under strength. I wish the ceramic the rice pot because the strength of ceramic rice pot can withstand high temperature without being damaged. Durability, the high and smooth ceramic surface make easily scratched a common cooking tool such as on or spatula. The last, discardability, the recycle process for rice pot need to be collect and separated from the other. They usually done basically the center of the facility process ceramic material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Azmi bin Rosdi, number matric AA230450. I will present about the rice cooker lid. The lid of rice cooker is made of 70131 glass. It is durable and resistant to high temperatures. The lid often features a handle made of heat-resistant material such as plastic or silicone. It is safe to lift and handle the lid during cooking. For the glass properties, number 1, for the strength, material based on specialty glass. It is heat resistant and combines the best characteristics from both glass and ceramic. For the durability, it is designed to withstand high temperatures without breaking. The glass capability to withstand high temperatures is mainly due to a low coefficient of thermal expansion (CTA). For the recyclability, 100% recyclable and can be endlessly recycled with no loss of quality.
Assalamualaikum, and I'm Muhammad Akhi Hafiz bin Muhammad Nazri. And heating element for rice cooker always usually made from aluminium alloy. The aluminium alloy that usually being used is aluminium 6061. Aluminium 6061 consists of aluminium, magnesium, silicon, copper and chromium. Aluminium 6061 also have a high corrosion resistance. And for its properties, aluminium 6061 have a tensile strength about 42,000 and its yield strength is about 35,000 psi, and it's also have a high durability because it also has a high corrosion resistance. It's made therefore the aluminium 6061 can be used for a long time, and also it can be recycled, and when it's being recycled it only use 5% of energy that needed to produce a new aluminium.
Environmental impact about plastic. The extensive utilization of the technology has environmental repercussions, specifically in terms impact, consuming energy, emitting greenhouse gas, and others. Moreover, the energy-intensive nature of the plastic production process necessitated large electricity and fossil fuel use at every stage of the process. In addition, greenhouse gases are released at many points throughout the life cycle of plastic, such as during the extraction, refining, and transportation. Furthermore, when plastics are burned at the end of their useful life, they release harmful substances like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Furthermore, plastic pollution contributes to poverty, restricts economic development, and raises the standard of living in communities.
So now we're going to talk about the stainless steel environmental impact. So stainless steel 304 is environmentally friendly because it lasts long, and also it can be recycled completely and keep things clean. However, making it use a lot of energy can release emission. They are working on using less energy and recycling more to help. Overall, the stainless steel is sustainable product.
Welcome back. Below is the environmental impact ceramic. The extraction of mineral or clay necessary as a raw material of ceramic production may have the adverse effect the environment. Improper management of mining activity can result habitat damage, soil erosion or water contaminant by in the extraction process for ceramic usually is less or impact of the environment that of the sum of metal. Such of metal, the raw material are the shape in the fire at a high temperature in plane to produce a ceramic respot. The substantial amount of energy is needed to this fire process, typically from electrical or natural gas. Air pollution and greenhouse gas emission are the result of burning fossil fuel.
Environmental impact for glass. The major environmental impact of glass production is caused by atmospheric emission from melting activities. The combustion of natural gas and the decomposition of raw material during the melting leads to the emission of CO2. Besides water vapor, this is the only greenhouse gas emitted during the glass production. Sulfur dioxide SO2 from the composition of sulfate in the batch materials can contribute to acidification. Nitrogen oxide NO2 due to the high melting temperatures, and in some cases due to decomposition of nitrogen compounds in the batch material, also contribute to acidification and formation of smoke. Evaporation from the molten glass and raw materials can cause a release of particles into the atmosphere.
For environment impact, aluminium 6061 is quite a good metal to be used because it is high recyclability, because it's only it can be recycled and only need 5% of energy that needed to recycle aluminium 6061. So that's a good part of aluminium 6061, but the bad part is the mining itself. As we know that bauxite can be a problem for some place because it can polluted some place, and it's also can produce very dangerous substance like perfluorocarbon, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which can pollute the environment, also the people and the animal around it.
Comparing plastic and stainless steel. Cost plastic polypropylene cost is $1 to $2.2 per kilogram. Stainless steel cost is $1.5 to $2.5 per kilogram. Production cost. Production plastic also require energy but less than stainless steel. Production stainless steel require energy. Processing cost. Plastic manufacturing process such as injection molding and extrusion are more energy efficient to metalworking. Processing stainless steel involves several steps including melting, casting, rolling and forming. Disposal cost. Higher disposal cost for plastic can be higher due to the lower recyclability. Lower disposal cost because of its high recyclability and scrap value. The disposal cost for stainless steel is relatively low. Alternative material. Stainless steel is a material that is frequently used because of its recyclability, durability and resistance to corrosion. Its resistance to corrosion and wear make it suitable for long-term application. The recycling process is efficient, retaining the material properties without degradation. However, its recyclability offsets this drawback since the material can be reused indefinitely, preventing waste accumulation.
So now we're going to compare between the stainless steel and ceramic. So there are a lot of aspects that we need to look for a while. For the first aspect is the strength, second is durability, third is flexibility, then we have electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, environmental impact, heat distribution, and last but not least cost. But I will just explain 4 aspects. For the first is the strength. So if we wanted to compare between the ceramic and stainless steel 304 is more strong than the ceramic. Second aspect is durability. So if we compare between the stainless steel and ceramic, we know that the stainless steel more durability. For example, it resisting corrosion well than the ceramic. Third is the environmental impact. Stainless steel production is energy intensive, so it's use more energy than using the ceramic. And last but not least is a cost. So now we compare cost between the stainless steel and the ceramic. So the more efficiency for the cost is the ceramic because they are cheaper than ceramic.
The next, comparing ceramic versus stainless steel properties. Ceramic about the strength. The great strength, stiffness, and resistant to wear or corrosion aluminium ceramic. They include compression strength or aluminium ceramic can range on 200 MPa to over 2000 MPa depending of the production method used. Different stainless steel strength is less prone to trend and deformation because to the high voltage and compressive strength superior to the ceramic to turn or impact resistant. Durability by the ceramic can tolerate high temperature without deteriorating or deforming, making them helpful in heat rate or application. About the stainless steel durability, different the ceramic. Stainless steel highly durable and resistant to rise, corrosion, and staining. Conductive ceramic is light or conductive than stainless steel, which occurs slower dissipation of heat, improve retention of heat after heating. By the stainless steel, conducting in the conductive the ceramic enable a quick, more equal distribution of heat across the surface of the display.
For the comparison of 70131 glass and aluminium. For the strength, glass is more brittle but strong in compression, and aluminium is strong in tension and compression. For the weight, glass is more heavier, besides aluminium is more lighter. For the aesthetic, the glass is transparent, although to see inside, but for the aluminium, it is metallic and more modern look. Environment impact. The glass is highly recyclable, energy intensive to produce. For the aluminium, highly recyclable, energy intensive to produce but less so when recycled.
Therefore, as an alternative, I choose copper over aluminium 6061. We can compare it by starting from cost analysis. Based on my research, aluminium 1661 is more cheaper than copper, and aluminium 1661 is better in respect of strength and flexibility. So for copper, is better in aspect of thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, durability, and also environmental impact and heat distribution.
Recommendation: stainless steel. The great heat resistance is the main reason why stainless steel is very desirable. Although stainless steel can tolerate high temperature, it is a great option for application that can for the kind of circumstance. Stainless steel cookware in the culinary domain is particularly effective in cooking situations that require high level of heat. It has a high tensile strength, making it suitable for structural strength. Its unique properties guarantee durability and dependability in various environments. Then the resilient result is decreased maintenance expense and prolonged product lifespan. Stainless steel based kitchenware and consumer items prioritize hygiene and safety. Stainless steel's appearance and ease of cleaning make it a desirable material in environment where heat is of the higher priority. Stainless steel has a more ecologically sound substitute for nature than plastic.
After we compare between the ceramic and stainless steel, we need to choose the material the more efficiency inside the rice cooker. So as we recall again what we talked about, stainless steel 304 is strong, and also it can live for a long time, and also tough. And ceramics are good for cookware, keeping food safe, and evenly it heat. So as you know, stainless steel is can recycle, but it take a lot of cost, more cost than the ceramic, because ceramic just use the less energy to recycle. Based on this discussion, in my opinion, I will choose the ceramic because it is the cost efficient, because not all people are available to buy the stainless steel because they are so expensive, and also it's hard to recycle. It can recycle, but it need to use a lot of money to recycle. So in my opinion, I will choose ceramic.
And the last definition as a rice pot, I will choose the stainless steel because the stainless steel is very strong, durable, and resistant or corrosion. It can also coat with non-stick compound superior heat conductivity. Recalibrate material to safeguard natural resource or have a positive impact of the environment. Modern technical of produce stainless steel or more energy efficient because of the energy efficiency of its manufacture, which permit of even renewable energy source. Although a long service life and necessary of corrosion and durability assist prolong of product life, lower any form, replacement, and lessen or environmental impact that come with them is a lot economical. Although original cost more than resistant or the material is a require less crack and favor replacement over time. It's anti-rust and anti-fouling, calling the translate of into extremely cheap maintenance expense. In addition, this rest use standardization.
Recommendation of aluminium as rice cooker lid. Other than 70131 glass, the material that can be replaced is aluminium. Aluminium is an excellent conductor for heat. It quickly transfers heat across its surface and through its volume. This property makes it suitable for application where heat transfer is desirable, such as in heat sink for electronic or in cooking utensils such as rice cooker. In terms of durability, aluminium lid is more durable and resistant to physical impact like breakage. Besides, glass lid may require careful handling to prevent breakage. Next, for aluminium lids can be molded into various shapes and sizes, providing flexibility in design. Additionally, aluminium has several advantages over glass. It is lightweight and durable, reducing energy consumption and transportation waste. Aluminium can be also recycled indefinitely without losing quality, making it more sustainable. Aluminium requires nearly twice as much energy as glass to manufacture, with an estimated 1.09 kilowatt hours of energy required to manufacture glass bottle, compared to nearly twice that for aluminium cans. Producing tons of virgin aluminium from bauxite ore requires almost twice as much as energy as manufacturing glass bottles. However, recycling aluminium can use 90% less energy than recycling glass bottle.
Therefore, I chose copper as alternative for heating element for rice cooker. It is because it has a good, excellent thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, durability, environmental impact, and also heat distribution. Although it is expensive, more expensive than aluminium 6061, but over time it can be more affordable and convenient because, as we know, that it can save energy, save time, and also can be used for long time.